In this video, you'll learn how to add Google Analytics to your GoDaddy website using the SiteKit plugin. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to track who's visiting your site, where they're coming from, and which pages they're spending time on, all without touching any code. Let's get started by heading into your GoDaddy Managed WordPress dashboard, log in to your GoDaddy account as you normally would, then open the WordPress site you want to work with. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard for that specific site, look over to the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll see an option called Plugins. Go ahead and click on Plugins. This is where you manage all the extra features that can be added to your website. To bring in Google Analytics, we're going to install a plugin provided by Google called SiteKit. At the top of the plugins page, look for the button that says Add New or Add Plugin and click on that. This takes you to the plugin library where you can search for new tools to add to your site. In the search bar on the top right, type SiteKit by Google. Give it a second to load the results, then look for the plugin called SiteKit by Google Analytics, Search Console, AdSense, Speed. It should clearly show that it's made by Google. This is the official plugin that connects your WordPress site to Google Analytics and other Google services. Once you've found it, click the Install Now button. WordPress will download and install the plugin for you. When the installation finishes, that button will change to Activate. Click Activate so the plugin is turned on and ready to configure. If you forget to activate it, it won't start working, so this step is important. After activation, you'll usually see a prompt or a new menu item for SiteKit in the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. Click on SiteKit. The plugin will guide you through a setup process. One of the first things it asks you is which Google services you want to use. Here, make sure you tick or check the box for Google Analytics. This tells SiteKit that you want to connect your site to your Google Analytics account. You can leave other services unchecked for now if you're only interested in Analytics, and you can always come back later to add more. Next, you'll connect your Google account. Click the button to sign in with Google or connect when prompted. A new window will open asking you to log into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Use the Google account you want to associate with your website's data. This is usually the same account you'd use for other Google services for your business or site. Google will show you a permissions screen explaining what SiteKit wants access to, such as viewing your analytics data and managing your site's settings. Review those permissions, then click Allow to continue. SiteKit will then link your website to your Google Analytics property. If you already have a property set up, you can choose it from the list. If not, SiteKit will help create a new one for you during the process. Once everything is connected, SiteKit will confirm that Google Analytics is active on your site. From this point forward, your GoDaddy WordPress website will start sending visitor data to Google Analytics automatically. You can now log into Google Analytics to explore your traffic, or simply check the SiteKit dashboard inside WordPress for an easier at-a-glance view of your stats. That's all it takes to add Google Analytics to your GoDaddy website using SiteKit.